what can I plant right now?
So right now, I mean, we're talking, what are we, 3 weeks before Easter, you can plant all these bulbs. Tulips, daffodil, hyacinth, they all can go outside right now. It's not a problem. They even have daffodils that are actually naturally flowering that's been out in this garden for probably 6-7 years. So it is time for bulbs to be out. What you want to do is basically dig the hole the size of the pot.
Okay.
So this one is pretty close. We'll go with that. So basically you just kind of tap it a little bit, squeeze it a little bit. It'll come out. These are,
That's a
you
great hole.
should be real good. Then what you do is you just put it down. You see it's a little bit deeper. Then you just grab the dirt. And what you really want to do is you want to put some of the natural dirt above the dirt here, maybe about a 1/2 inch. And then you just press it in. You want to put your mulch back over it, and you're all set. Water it up, and it will be good for the year. And like I said, they'll flower this year. This one will finish flowering this year, and these will come back year after year after year.